This topic is called Simplifying a Product of Radical Expressions, Univariate. So radical expressions, I'm assuming, is mostly square root. I guess you could have cubed root or fourth root. Let's see in our examples. Univariate means there's just one variable. So when we have a square root, the little index, the number that you can't see is a 2. So that's the square root is a 2. It's just, it's there, but you can't see it. It's implied. So what I like to do is I like to write the numbers and the variables, write them out as prime numbers. So we have 18 is 2 times 9, and 9 is 3 times 3. So there's my 18. Z squared is Z times Z. Then we have a 2 here, and we have Z cubed. Because it's square root, that means this index is 2. We're looking for groups of 2. So we have a 2 here. There's 2 of them. So we could put 1, 2 outside the square root. So when we have groups of 2 under the square root, then one of them can come out of the square root. So we have 2 groups of Z. So that's Z, and there's 2 of them. Now there's 1 left, and that has to stay under the square root symbol. You multiply everything that's on the outside. So we have 6. Z squared. It's 6 because we had a 2 and a 3 out there. Then we're going to have our square root of Z. I'm assuming they're all going to be square root because of that way we wrote the answer, have square root there. P.S. Please subscribe to my channel and like any videos that you find helpful. So we have 3Z, 6 is 2 times 3, and then Z times Z. We're looking for doubles, like groups of 2. So we have a 3, so 1 can come out with 2 Z's. One of those can come out, and we have 2Z left on the inside. So we have 3Z. Hopefully this is helpful to you, and 2Z on the inside. Okay, let's do one more. I always like to do 3. It just makes sense to me. Okay, we have Z to the 5th. I'm going to group them up in 2. So Z squared plus Z squared, times Z squared times Z. 10 is 2 times 5. Good, so we can bring a 2 out, and then a Z. So 2's can come out. We have 1, 2, 3 groups of 2 Z's. Oops, 3. Got that one. We took the 2 out, and then there's a 5 left over. So 2, I don't know what just happened. 2Z cubed square root 5. Okay, that's the end of the lesson.